What's going on, guys? This is Chris Albert from the Warrior Soul podcast and the Warrior Soul Goji, and I want to thank you for coming over here to check out Keto Camp. You know, when I started the ketogenic diet 5 years ago, there wasn't a lot of people doing it or a lot of people talking about it. I was a competitive bodybuilder at the time, and I had also been suffering from ulcerative colitis, an autoimmune disease that affects the intestinal tract. And I was in a lot of pain and I was desperate. I came to the ketogenic diet out of desperation because eating all that protein and all those carbohydrates, it was literally tearing my digestive system apart. So I needed something that was going to be a lot easier on my digestion, and that was also going to help me to maintain my physique. And once I got through that initial adaptation phase and I started doing it, I couldn't believe how my body responded. I was burning fat, I was building muscle, I was getting stronger, and I felt amazing. Most diets I had done up to that point made me feel awful. I can think of the times when I was loading myself up with so much protein and so many carbs, and my digestive system felt like I was gonna burst. I was in so much pain. The thing about the ketogenic diet, though, is this. There's a lot of information out there going around. There's a lot of people who are getting into it. And since that time when there weren't a lot of people when I was doing it back in the day, information is everywhere. But the thing is, it's not all good information. It took me a lot of trial and error to get it right. And it took me a lot of studying. Since I left bodybuilding, I've gotten knee deep into the wellness industry. I've been working with veterans to introduce better practices for better living to the veteran community, a community that's been really affected by the diabetes plague. 1 in 4 veterans suffers from diabetes. And one of the things I wanted to do with Keto Camp was to create an easy way for you to adapt the diet to your needs. Whether you're seeking to burn fat, whether you're seeking to build muscle, whether you're just seeking a healthier way of living, Warrior Soul Keto Camp will give you everything you need. We've got full guides on how to keto adapt. We've got full guides on how to maintain ketosis. We've got a huge ebook that's packed with information that'll take you through every step you need to go through. We've also got training plans, we've got cookbooks, we've got grocery lists, and we also have an additional bonus course, Warrior Soul Fitness. This is our basic foundation that we take all our clients through. It teaches you how to balance your hormones, how to enhance your sleep, and how to optimize your digestion. Don't jump into this on a whim. You need to know some things about your body if you want to get the most out of this diet. And with Warrior Soul Keto Camp, you're not going to be paying a lot of money. We've reduced the price to under $40 for all of that information. So check out what we have here. And if you have any questions at all, just email me, chris@startketoright.com. I'm happy to answer any questions you have, and I'm happy to help you along on your way. I hope to see you on the other side. Talk to you guys soon.